Assalamu alaikum. We hope you all are doing great. We are also fidel by the grace of Almighty. And today we have a very special guest. She is none but one of our favorite students. Okay, Raina is here. So I am going to ask some questions based on verbs. And recently we have learned verbs. So Raina is going to answer all sort of questions. Raina, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also fidel. So I'm going to ask some questions based on verbs. Are you ready?
Yes.
সে সুন্দর,
She is beautiful.
সে সুন্দর ছিল,
She was beautiful.
সে সুন্দর হবে,
She will be beautiful.
আমরা শিক্ষার্থী,
We are students.
আমরা শিক্ষার্থী ছিলাম,
We were students.
শিক্ষার্থী হব।
We will be students.
ভেরি গুড। সে চালাক,
He is clever.
সে চালাক না,
He isn't clever.
সে কি চালাক,
Is he clever?
সে কি চালাক না,
Isn't he clever?
সে কেন চালাক,
Why is he clever?
সে চালাক ছিল,
He was clever.
সে চালাক ছিল না,
He wasn't clever.
সে কি চালাক ছিল,
Was he clever?
সে কি চালাক ছিল না,
Wasn't he clever?
সে কেন চালাক ছিল,
Why was he clever?
সে চালাক হবে,
He will be clever.
সে চালাক হবে না,
He won't be clever.
সে কি চালাক হবে,
Will he be clever?
সে কি চালাক হবে না,
Won't he be clever?
সে কেন চালাক হবে।
Why will he be clever?
Okay, good job. Thank you so much. Have a very high five. Say bye bye.